Step 1. Assemble the frame for the recess of your window. Line up the panels according to the appropriate stickers and simply slide them into place. This assembly is best completed on the floor. Also note, locally made shutters will require an additional support bracket to be installed. Step 2. Place the assembled frame into the windowsill and use a spirit level to ensure the frame is straight, horizontally and vertically. Step 3. Drill pilot holes into the frame. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 4. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw the frame into position. Use the spirit level as you go to ensure the frame is still level and square. Step 5. Carefully place the shutter panels into the frame, locking them in by dropping in the hinge pins. If you have more than one panel, always align the panels from left to right to ensure the panels fit correctly. Step 6. Fix the final screws into the hinges for that extra security. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new shutters.